He's just silent. Alright, guys, we're at full-on Leaf Jersey 9. There's 2 left in 10. In this one, we got Shim, Allen, Chad, B-Hauler, Grouch, and Where's My Yellow Jersey? Where's my elephant? Where's my elephant? Stop making me a liar, fun. 9 times on the small dice. 9 times on the small dice. I swear this one's going to be the one that we don't mess up on. Alright. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hauler on top. Where's my yellow jersey on the bottom? Everyone else in between. We have not hit a yellow jersey out of here. East, north, southwest. East, north, southwest. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. NFC South, AFC South. AFC South is going to be Holler. NFC North, Chad, Grouch. AFC West, Allen. East of the NFC East, AFC North, NFC West, Shim, AFC East, and NFC South for Fung. All right, we have 2 boxes left. 5 and 7. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and to the center of the Tootsie Pop. 9. Box 5. Boom. Alright. No chances at yellow. NFC South? NFC South is Panthers, Falcons, Saints have that weird yellow. Gold and black. 5. Gold. Buccaneers, you can get a creamsicle jersey. That's orange. I'm just trying to be positive here, so. It's yellow. There is yellow on this jersey, but not for Fung. For the Los Angeles Rams. Rams. I thought that was OBJ for a second. Isaac Bruce. NFC West. Who is NFC West? Allen. Allen has an NFC West in Matt's face.